The Blizzwheel e-scooter is not just a mode of transportation. It's a complete game changer in how you move through your day. Engineered with a sleek, compact design and packed with power, this modern ride brings efficiency, speed, and style together in one lightweight package. With a top speed of 25 miles per hour and an impressive range of up to 40 miles on a single charge, it's built for those who want to glide through city streets with ease while avoiding the usual hassle of traffic and parking. Whether you're commuting to work, heading to class, or just out for a ride to unwind, this scooter redefines urban mobility. At the heart of the Blizzwheel is a powerful 500-watt motor combined with cutting-edge battery technology, giving you smooth acceleration, reliable power, and energy-efficient performance. Its eco-friendly electric system means you're not only saving time and money, you're also contributing to a greener planet. And the thoughtful design doesn't stop there. The scooter is lightweight, foldable, and highly portable, making it perfect for commuters who need to hop on public transport or store it easily in tight spaces. Safety is also a priority, with advanced features like regenerative braking for more efficient stopping, and integrated LED lights to keep you visible during night rides or in low-light conditions. Every detail is crafted to make your journey safer, smarter, and more enjoyable. So whether you're racing down busy streets, cruising through quiet neighborhoods, or exploring new paths on the weekend, the Blizzwheel e-scooter is your ticket to a faster, cleaner, and more thrilling ride. It's not just a way to get around, it's the future of personal transportation, ready to roll when you are. Aka Technologies has envisioned a bold leap into the future of transportation with its innovative concept of the flying train, a hybrid vehicle that merges the grounded reliability of rail systems with the soaring flexibility of aircraft. This futuristic mode of freight transport seeks to dramatically change the way cargo moves across the globe. At its core, the design allows the vehicle to function like a high-speed train, while also having the unique ability to lift off and fly like an airplane. It would initially travel along conventional railway tracks, but when needed, it could detach and ascend into the sky, effortlessly bypassing congested routes, rough terrains, or geographical barriers that typically slow down traditional logistics networks. This dual-mode capability introduces an entirely new level of efficiency and responsiveness to global cargo transportation. No longer limited by the rigidity of rail lines or the costs and limitations of air freight alone, the flying train offers a seamless integration of both systems. It enables swift long-distance delivery and faster point-to-point movement of goods, especially in areas with underdeveloped infrastructure. What's more, the concept places strong emphasis on environmental sustainability. With cleaner energy systems and fewer emissions compared to conventional freight methods, this solution aims to serve as a high-speed, eco-friendly bridge between regions. If brought to life, Aka's flying train could redefine how goods are shipped, setting a new standard for speed, adaptability, and environmental responsibility in the logistics industry. The Bell FCX-001, first unveiled in 2017, is a revolutionary concept helicopter that represents Bell Helicopter's bold vision for the future of vertical lift aviation. It deviates significantly from conventional helicopters in both form and function, embracing advanced aerodynamics and cutting-edge technology to redefine what modern rotary-wing aircraft could become. With an airframe slightly larger than the traditional Bell 412, the FCX-001 offers a sleek, futuristic aesthetic and a spacious, luxurious cabin that can accommodate up to 12 passengers in comfort and style. What truly sets this aircraft apart is its innovative rotor system. The FCX-001 features 5 morphing main rotor blades, capable of changing shape and twisting at their tips mid-flight. This dynamic adaptability allows for real-time optimization during various flight conditions, improving aerodynamic efficiency, reducing operational noise, and boosting overall flight performance. The concept also integrates a hybrid propulsion system that combines traditional turboshaft engines with electric motors, utilizing distributed electric propulsion to enhance fuel efficiency and lower emissions. An environmentally conscious move that points toward a sustainable aviation future. Another standout feature is the advanced anti-torque system integrated into the tail boom, which replaces the traditional tail rotor. This system not only increases safety, but also allows for thrust vectoring, improving maneuverability and control. Furthermore, the FCX-01 introduces fly-by-wire technology, eliminating bulky mechanical controls in favor of electronic systems that respond faster and more smoothly to pilot inputs. Passenger experience is central to the FCX-001's design. Inside, the cabin is designed for comfort and tranquility, with generous legroom, plush seating, and panoramic windows that offer stunning views during flight. To top it off, an advanced onboard infotainment system provides personalized media and real-time flight information, ensuring an enjoyable and immersive journey. Though still a concept and not yet realized in production, the FCX-001 serves as a symbol of what future helicopters might become: smarter, quieter, more efficient, and more attuned to passenger needs. It reflects Bell's commitment to innovation and pushes the envelope in terms of design, engineering, and user experience. As a technological stepping stone, it's helping to pave the way for a new era in vertical flight, one that blends visionary design with practical advancements in aerospace engineering.
The Blackfly aircraft, developed by Opener Inc., marks a bold new chapter in personal aviation. As the world's first all-electric, fixed-wing vertical takeoff and landing, VTOL, personal air vehicle, it stands as a testament to the power of innovation and sustainable engineering. Designed by Canadian engineer Marcus Lang, the Blackfly took nearly a decade to develop before it was publicly unveiled in 2018. Its structure features a lightweight yet strong carbon fiber reinforced epoxy frame, paired with 2 tandem wings and powered by 4 electric motors, giving it both agility and efficiency in the air. With a cruising speed of approximately 62 miles per hour, 100 kilometers per hour, and a range of up to 60 miles, 97 kilometers, the Blackfly offers a practical solution for short-range travel. It's engineered for simple operation, capable of taking off and landing in small grassy areas, which makes it uniquely accessible to users without the need for traditional airport infrastructure. The aircraft is delivered fully assembled and flight-ready, setting it apart in the emerging market of personal electric air vehicles. Not only does the Blackfly promote zero-emission flight, but it also pushes the boundaries of how individuals can commute and explore, opening the skies to a new generation of eco-conscious travelers seeking autonomy and innovation in their journeys. The cyclorotor represents a striking departure from traditional aircraft propulsion systems, offering a bold new approach to vertical and horizontal flight through its unique rotating blade mechanism. Unlike conventional propellers or jet engines, the cyclorotor uses a set of rotating blades aligned in a circular configuration, which enables highly precise thrust vectoring in virtually any direction. This design not only allows for smooth vertical takeoff and landing capabilities, but also facilitates unparalleled maneuverability during flight. Such flexibility makes the cyclorotor particularly well suited for urban air mobility, search and rescue operations, and environments where space and noise limitations are critical. Its compact design and ability to maintain stable flight in tight spaces give it a significant edge over traditional rotorcraft. Additionally, because the cyclorotor system can be integrated with electric propulsion, it presents a promising path toward low-emission aviation solutions. Ongoing research and prototype testing suggest this technology could greatly reduce noise pollution and enhance energy efficiency compared to legacy systems. Though still in development, the cyclorotor concept reflects the future-forward thinking that's reshaping aviation. It's a compelling demonstration of how innovative engineering can unlock new possibilities in air travel, transforming how we approach flight in increasingly complex and crowded environments.
The Durrani H1X marks a transformative moment in the evolution of personal transportation, introducing the world to a consumer-friendly electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft designed for everyday use. Engineered with accessibility and performance in mind, this innovative air vehicle is capable of reaching top speeds of up to 120 miles per hour and boasts a range of 60 miles on a single charge. It comfortably accommodates 2 passengers and supports a payload of up to 500 pounds, making it suitable for personal travel, short commutes, or even rapid emergency response. What makes the H1X especially noteworthy is its patented ducted fan and wing fence technology, which enhances both safety and aerodynamic efficiency, key factors in the practical adoption of aerial vehicles. Equipped with 360-degree safety sensors and built-in fail-safe systems, the H1X is designed to offer a secure and smooth flying experience in a variety of conditions. With a flight time of 40 minutes and a rapid recharge capability of just 25 minutes, it aligns perfectly with the demands of modern, fast-paced lifestyles. This futuristic vehicle is scheduled for initial rollout in 2025 with full-scale production expected by 2026. Priced between $300,000 to $400,000, the H1X represents a significant investment, but also a bold step into a new era of personal mobility, where flying to your destination could become as routine as driving. With the Durrani H1X, the dream of everyday flight is quickly becoming a reality. Imagine stepping into the future of transportation. Offier's vision extends beyond convenience. It's about transforming the very way we move. This concept has far-reaching applications, from urban commuting and emergency medical evacuations to luxurious scenic tours. Safe, quiet, and environmentally responsible, this autonomous flying taxi could redefine personal transportation as we know it, making everyday air travel not just a dream, but a near-future reality. Axiom Station is set to become the world's first fully private space station, marking a groundbreaking shift in the future of space exploration and commercialization. Developed by Axiom Space, this pioneering orbital outpost will initially connect to the International Space Station with the launch of its first module planned for 2027. A full crew habitat will follow in 2028, and eventually, Axiom Station will detach to become an independent, free-flying platform, continuing its mission after the ISS reaches the end of its operational life. This futuristic station is designed to support a wide range of activities, including cutting-edge scientific research, in-space manufacturing, and even space tourism. It will be equipped with advanced laboratories, expansive viewing windows offering stunning views of Earth, and a luxurious interior crafted by renowned designer Philippe Starck. Axiom Station isn't just a new habitat in space. It represents a bold vision for humanity's long-term presence beyond our planet. By blending innovation, science, and private enterprise, it lays the foundation for a sustainable economy in low Earth orbit. As a hub for commercial, governmental, and civilian missions, Axiom Station promises to redefine what it means to live and work in space, creating exciting new opportunities for future generations.
Beta Technologies is a cutting-edge company at the forefront of developing sustainable aviation solutions through electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft. Their flagship model, the Alia 250, is a fully electric aircraft specifically engineered to promote efficient and environmentally conscious transportation. Capable of covering a range of 250 nautical miles on a single charge, the Alia 250 is designed to carry either passengers or cargo while producing zero emissions, making it a powerful tool in the shift toward cleaner air travel. The aircraft employs a unique lift plus cruise design, which combines the advantages of fixed wings for efficient horizontal flight with vertically oriented rotors for smooth takeoffs and landings. This hybrid approach enhances both performance and versatility, enabling the Alia 250 to operate in a variety of urban and regional settings with ease. Beta Technologies is not only focused on building innovative aircraft, but also on creating a comprehensive electric aviation ecosystem. To support this vision, they are actively developing a nationwide network of charging infrastructure, ensuring that their aircraft can be recharged efficiently and reliably wherever needed. By integrating cutting-edge design with a strong commitment to sustainability, Beta Technologies is helping to redefine the future of air mobility. Their work represents a major leap toward a cleaner, more efficient and accessible transportation landscape, making short and mid-range air travel more viable for a world that is rapidly moving toward electrification.